Assalamualaikum and very good morning. Today we are going to learn about storage systems. I have divided the presentation into 4 sections. We will start with storage system performance and location strategies. And then we will look into conventional storage methods and equipment, automated storage system, and finally we are going to look into engineering analysis of storage systems. Storage system is used to store materials. For example, parts, work in process, and finished goods for a period of time and permits retrieval when required. It is used mainly in factories, warehouses, distribution centers, wholesale dealership, and retail stores. And storage system is an important supply chain component. Automation aspect is available to improve efficiency. So the first question is how to determine if a storage system is good or bad. There are several approaches to measure the performance of a storage systems. The main two measures are total volumetric space and total number of volumetric compartments. That is the unit loads that can be stored. The second one is in terms of the storage density, volumetric space available for storage relative to total volumetric space in facilities, the accessibility to retrieve the stored item, system throughput, the hourly rate of storage and retrieval transaction that could be done, and finally the utilization and availability. There are 2 main strategies in deciding the location of storage. The first one is called randomized storage. For randomized storage, the incoming items are stored in any available location. And usually, it means the nearest available open location in relative to the incoming materials. The second approach is to have dedicated storage, where the incoming items are assigned to specific location in the storage facilities. So, typical basis for deciding locations depend on several factors, including items stored in a number sequence, item number sequence, according to activity level and according to activity to space ratios. These are basically decided by the management based on the consultation with the production areas. This is an example of an inventory level used as a guide for restock any raw materials. For example, after a raw materials one hit the stock, hits a safety stock. In this case, it is decided at 10 units. So there will be replenishment of stocks. So we can see here the number of stocks is 100 cartons, where we will use 2 cartons a day. This will be the depletion rate for the stock. And so we will have a 50-day cycles for 100 cartons to be completely used. So, for example, if we have a 10-day stock arrival time, so we will need to put an order for the stock at every 40th day within a specific cycle, so that we can ensure that the stock can arrive on the 50th day when the safety stock hit the 10 units. So this is common strategies used in order to ensure that the